10 shocking science experiments that shook the world. 1. In the 1960s, psychologist Stanley Milgram conducted a chilling experiment to study obedience to authority. Participants were instructed to deliver electric shocks to a person in another room, increasing the voltage each time they answered incorrectly. The twist? The person being shocked was an actor. Still, 65% of participants obeyed orders to administer the highest shocks, even as they believed they were inflicting severe pain. It revealed how easily people could commit harmful acts under pressure from authority. D2. In 1971, Stanford psychologist Philip Zimbardo turned a basement into a mock prison. Volunteers were randomly assigned roles as guards or prisoners. Within days, the guards became abusive and the prisoners displayed signs of extreme stress. The experiment spiraled so out of control it had to be stopped after just 6 days. It demonstrated how quickly power can corrupt and how environments shape behavior. 3. In 1920, behaviorist John Watson conducted an experiment on an infant known as Little Albert. The goal? To condition fear. The boy was shown a white rat while a loud, terrifying noise played in the background. Soon Albert associated the rat, and anything white and fluffy, with fear. While the experiment advanced our understanding of conditioned responses, it's now condemned for its unethical treatment of a child. 4. Conducted in 1939, this speech experiment targeted orphans. Researchers divided children into 2 groups, one praised for their speech and the other harshly criticized. The result? Many of the criticized children developed lifelong speech issues and psychological scars. Although the study revealed the effects of negative reinforcement, it's now seen as a dark chapter in scientific history. 5. In the 1960s, psychologist John Money oversaw a disturbing experiment involving David Reimer, a boy raised as a girl after a botched circumcision. Money wanted to prove that gender identity was purely a social construct, but David struggled with his identity, and the experiment ended tragically. This case highlighted the complex interplay of biology and environment in shaping identity. 6. From 1932 to 1972, the U.S. government studied untreated syphilis in African American men without their consent. Participants were misled into believing they were receiving free health care. The study continued even after penicillin became available, leading to unnecessary suffering and death. It's one of the darkest examples of medical ethics violations in history. 7. During World War II, Japan's Unit 731 conducted horrific experiments on prisoners, including biological warfare tests and vivisections. Thousands died, and the atrocities were largely hidden until years later. This remains a grim reminder of the length some regimes will go in the name of progress. 8. In the 1950s, the U.S. Army recruited Seventh-day Adventist volunteers for biological warfare experiments. Dubbed Operation Whitecoat, they were exposed to diseases like Q fever and yellow fever to test vaccines. While the participants volunteered, the ethical implications of using humans for bioweapons research remained debated. 9. In the 1950s and 60s, Soviet scientist Vladimir Demikhov successfully transplanted heads onto dogs, creating 2-headed animals. While it paved the way for organ transplants, the grotesque experiment sparked outrage and highlighted the ethical limits of scientific ambition. 10. From the 1950s to the 70s, the CIA conducted secret mind control experiments under MKUltra. Subjects were dosed with LSD and other substances without their consent, causing lasting psychological damage. The program's declassification in the 1970s revealed a dark side of Cold War-era intelligence work.